Adding the Square payment to the WordPress website is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. By connecting Square, a reputable payment processing solution, to your WordPress site, you will provide your customers with a secure and seamless checkout experience. The step-by-step guide will walk you through the installation process, ensuring that your online sales and payment processing runs smoothly. So, let's start. The first step is to create a Square account if you don't already have one. Open your preferred browser and navigate to square.com. Square provides hardware and software solutions for point-of-sale transactions. Merchants can use Square's POS systems to accept payments in person, whether through credit and debit cards, contactless payments, or mobile wallets. If you already have an account, sign in. Otherwise, click on Get Started to create a new account. So, continue adding your email address and click on Next. Next, you need to give your password. If you're starting for the first time, you will need to tell about your business. Select a relevant option from the given list. Then, add your business name, preferred phone number, and other details required on this page. Once you're done, click on Next from your top right corner. After that, you'll be taken to the Square dashboard. Square payment services are known for their simplicity, ease of use, and accessibility, making them popular among small and medium-sized businesses. The integration of Square's various tools helps businesses streamline their payment processes, whether they operate in physical locations or online. With Square's mobile card readers and mobile payment solutions, businesses can accept payments on the go using smartphones and tablets. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate outside of traditional brick-and-mortar locations. Square allows businesses to create and send invoices to customers, who can then make payments securely through the Square platform. This is useful for freelancers, service providers, and small businesses that need to bill clients. On the Square dashboard, you will need to log in with your WordPress account. So, open WordPress.com in the New tab and here, log in or create a new account. Integration with Square enables smooth and secure payment processing directly on your WordPress site. Customers can make purchases without being redirected to external payment gateways, providing a seamless user experience. After setting up your WordPress website, let's start the integration process. So, go to Square page. Here, click on Settings from your left panel. Now, click on the option of App Integrations. On this page, you can sync all your apps with Square. So, click on the search icon given on the top right. Here, search for WordPress.com. From the results, click on WordPress. Or, you can also pick from the other recommendations given below. This integration will cost you around $25 per month. The integration allows for real-time synchronization of inventory between WordPress and Square. Changes in product availability or pricing made in either platform are automatically reflected in the other, reducing the risk of overselling and streamlining inventory management. So, click on the Get Started button given right next to it. Once it is done, go to the WordPress page. Here, click on Plugins from the dashboard. Next, scroll down and go to the search bar. Here, search for the Square Payments plugin, such as WooCommerce Square. Click on the plugins and install them. Note that if you encounter any PHP version compatibility issues, use your PHP version to resolve them. Square supports various payment methods, including credit and debit cards, contactless payment, and mobile wallets. Integrating Square with WordPress allows businesses to offer a range of payment options to cater to diverse customer preferences. Square is known for its robust security measures. By integrating Square with WordPress, businesses can leverage Square's security features for both online and offline transactions, providing a secure environment for customer payments. This integration streamlines the order fulfillment process. When a customer purchases on your WordPress site, the order details are automatically sent to Square for processing. This helps in efficient order fulfillment and reduces manual data entry. Once your plugin is ready, click on the Upgrade and Activate button given on your right. Installing plugins is a premium feature. If you need to activate it, click on Upgrade and Activate Plan. Once your payment is completed, the plugin will be ready to use. Next, you just need to configure the Square Payment plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. This may include customizing payment options, adding descriptions, configuring transaction types, and specifying accepted card logos. Save your changes. Now conduct a test transaction before going live to ensure that the integration functions correctly. Verify that payments are processed and order details are recorded in both Square and your WordPress workspace. Once you're satisfied with the test transactions, you can switch the Square integration to live mode. This allows actual transactions to be processed through Square when customers make purchases on your WordPress site. Monitor transactions regularly and check and reconcile them in both Square and WordPress dashboards to ensure accuracy. Stay informed about any updates or changes related to the Square on WordPress integration, and keep both your Square and WordPress accounts updated. Inform your customers about the available payment options by adding the Square logo to your WordPress site. Provide clear instructions for any payment-related queries they may have. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Square payments with your WordPress website, enhancing the checkout experience for your customers. This integration not only simplifies payment processing, but also builds trust in your online business. So now you know exactly how to add a Square payment to the WordPress website.